Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi to all. So we continue with factors of polynomial. So in the previous video, we did product of polynomials. For this particular video, I need to focus still on product of polynomials. I need to show 2 more examples, and I have 4 questions for you guys to do and try on your own. 4 questions only, guys. Please try to do. Okay. Year 9, why you didn't submit all your works? ICT tak hantar, PM tak hantar, Malay tak hantar. Why? What is your problem? Tekem, Hazrik, Syafiyah, Azara, Divesh. What is you guys problem? So please try to do. For maths, please try to do. I am not going to repeat this chapter again. I am not going to repeat this. Okay. So as you guys know, they extend the MCO until 12 May now, and I think they might extend until after Raya. So please get used to this concept of learning. So please make sure you do the questions. Stay at home and stay brilliant. Jangan malas buat kerja. Okay, please rajin sikit. Okay. So now we continue with product of polynomials. I am going to discuss 2 questions. It's given in the worksheet. Please refer to your worksheet. Try to do all questions. Any problem, if you got stuck anywhere, just text me. Okay. So now, how do we find that product? Remember, previously you deal with like 2x minus 1, and then we have like 3x plus 3. So that is the previous normal question for you guys. But for this chapter, we have more than 2 terms in one bracket. More than 2 terms. So for this one, we have 3 terms. Okay. So how do we differentiate? How do we expand that? You expand 1 by 1. So again, I repeat the process again. So we have done this actually, but this is like repetition for you guys. So you put 2x in front, and then you put the whole term of the second bracket, which is 4x cubed plus x plus 2. Okay, that one. And then you take the second term of the first bracket, which is minus 1. Take including the sign in front. If it's positive, put positive. Since that is negative, so I put negative 1 lah. Okay, and then copy again. 4x cubed plus x plus 2. Okay, and then you expand 1 by 1 slowly. Do it slowly, Dakem. Do it slowly, Dakem. Okay, so 2 times 4, that is just 8x power 4. How do I get x power 4? Without any power means that is x power 1. X power 1 times x power 3. When you times the terms with the same base, you just add the power. Add the power only. So 1 plus 3 becomes 4. Okay, and then plus 2x squared plus 4x. Okay, that one settle with the first one. Second one, minus 4x cubed minus x minus 2. Okay, so try to simplify your answer. That is just 8x power 4 plus, not plus yet, minus 4x power 3 plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. That's it. Okay, if you don't want to leave your answer in that form, okay, order doesn't order of the terms is not important. You can leave your answer in this form as well. 2x squared minus 4x cubed plus 8x power 4 minus 2 plus 3x. Doesn't matter. As long as you have each term inside your answer, inside your final answer, then it's just fine. Okay, so order of the terms is not important at all. But for me, usually I prefer highest power, second highest power, and so on until the constant. But this is not important. Okay, that is just because I love to see it that way. Okay, you can just leave your answer in that form. It's just fine. Okay, so let's move to the second example. Second example, if you don't know how to do this one, pause the video, try to do on your own. Try to do on your own, check with my answer. Make sure you get the same answer. If you get a different answer, you can simply PM me or text me to clarify your workings. Okay, so now second question. Are you ready? Okay, second question, I want to do question F. I want to show you how question F, because it's power 3 now. Question F, F. Okay, F is 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 power 3. Okay, power 3 here means we have 3 times of the same bracket here. We have 3 times of that, which means 3x minus 1, and then we have another one, 3x minus 1, and then another 3x minus 1. We have 3 times of that. So how do we expand this? You expand one by one. Expand that 2 first. So this one we have learned it in previous lesson. Very easy, that one. That is just you should get 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Do it slowly, okay? Do it slowly. It's okay, do it slowly. Okay. And then we have 3x minus 1. Okay, so now how do we expand this? Do it as the same method as the previous question. Okay, so put the first term first, which is 9x squared. We want to expand with that term. Put the whole thing. 3x minus 1. Okay, first term, the whole thing. Now second term, which is negative 6x. Take, including the sign in front. Copy 3x minus 1 plus 1. 3x minus 1. Okay, 9x minus 1. Negative 6x. Positive 1. Okay, multiply with that. So you separate one by one. Separate. One by one. Okay, so just multiply as normal. So that is just 27x power 3. 9 times 3, 27. How do I get x power 3? X squared times x. Add the power. So power 3 minus 9x squared minus 18x squared plus 6x. Negative becomes positive. Careful, eh? Okay, and then you have plus 3x minus 1. Okay, and then just simplify your answer. You should get 27x power 3. Negative 9, negative 18 will give you negative 27x squared. Okay, 6x, 3x plus 9x plus 1. Okay, settle. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more questions for you guys to try. Any problem, just text me, okay? Okay.